In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget wallet to Binance Exchange. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget wallet and then log into it if you haven't already. After that, in order to transfer your crypto from Bitget wallet, if you have any cryptos in your Bitget wallet, you will be able to see a send option. So you need to tap on send, and here it will ask you to select a token that you want to send. Let's say you want to send Ethereum. You just have to simply select it, and then you will be able to see this type of page in front of you where it will ask you to provide the receiving address. So in order to get it, you just have to launch your Binance app, and here on the home page, you need to tap on the Add Funds option. Now select the Deposit Crypto option. Here you just have to use the search bar at the top and search for ERC20, which is Ethereum. So you need to search for Ethereum and select Ethereum's ERC20 network. Once done, you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you just have to copy that from here, then come back to Bitget wallet and paste the address in this section. After that, enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer. Once that's done, you just have to simply tap on the Confirm button at the bottom. On the next page, you just have to simply conclude your transaction or wait for some time until your transaction is completed. This way, you will be able to transfer your cryptos from Bitget wallet to Binance Exchange. That was all. Subscribe, it's free.